Alright, check it out, y'all. Fog lights on a 2021 Dodge Durango. Have you ever changed them out? I have not, but hey, we're gonna try it out because my boy bought some LED lights for his Durango, and he wants to make a little brighter difference. We're gonna see what happens. Let's do a little tutorial or do it yourself. Change it. Get out of the Matu. But we finna do it. Let's get it.
My name is Blackstar. I'll surpass the power of the god.
Extravagant.
So this is us tinting the tail lights, and this is basically this is before the factory look, and this is the aftermath of.
I tell them the customer wanted blue LEDs. You can't change the LEDs in this vehicle because it's inside the housing. The only way you want blue lights, you gotta tint. So you gotta remove it from the inside and tint them for a clean install.
Yep, basically. Why you being so difficult? Why you being so difficult? Focus on them.
Yeah.
Nah, man, I just want to be like Mopar guys, man. That's all. That's all I want to do. Shit, here we go.
That's for baseball. Y'all look for right now, guys.
Yeah. See, that's crazy.
I went to Adam. Because by Adam,
I play baseball too.
there was a bunch of dudes, and then they ended up and I had my hat back.
So there's the fog light right there.
Like, yeah, you know.
Take off that. I can zoom in on it if I can.
Went to the bar, grabbed the other man who was from Central.
Take it off right there.
He was from 17th Street, by the beach.
By the beach, right down
So
the
he
road.
grabbed this man.
There it goes. Right there, those two screws on it, one on top and the one on the bottom. The other one should be on the car. Down there. Alright, we got yours.
Messed up again. Sitting on a chair. Get it that out of speed, bro. Ain't nothing. I'm just heating it up and going around the corner.
Finished product looking pretty good. Let's get it. Time for the install. Ah, that bug. Bro, a bug just attacked me. What the hell? Hey, check it out. So, I'm trying to walk away from people talking. But, hey, so on the fog lights, right? The passenger side is way easier. There's nothing in your way. On the driver's side, you have the window washer fluid. It's literally blocking your way from that one screw that I showed earlier in the video. I put it like, hey, the screw is gonna be MF, but it's doable. Just unloosen it. I did it by hand with an actual bit, but the screw itself was not too bad. Like I said, you see the product, finished product wasn't too bad. George worked on it for me, but I'm just installing it for the customer. So at this point, I'm gonna install and I'm gonna show y'all the finished product. Let's get it.
Screaming out loud, why God? Hey, that's on God.